Tonight on the Street Food Chef Traveller, I'm here in Shanti's home, who's the owner of the Spice Market, and he has a wonderful spice shop just right next to the market where it's very, very famous and very well known. And I've been very lucky, and he's been able to show me some of his traditional dishes and perhaps even try some of his lovely food that's cooked by his wife. Shanti, this is Mr. Shanti. Thank you very much. And I've got the whole family here, and it's an absolute experience, and I just cannot wait to try the food. Shanti and his wife are going to show me how to make a chicken biryani.
Yeah, chicken biryani.
Okay, so what's in here?
That's inside potato and 1.5 chicken.
And then you have rice in here already?
No.
Not yet, not yet.
No, that one's seasoned 3 hours.
3 hours marinade. Okay, and you got dry chilies in there as well? Tomato in there? Tomato, okay, curry leaf. So you boil this for 10 minutes, and then you mix, the rice is already cooked or half cooked?
No, now cooking.
Now cooking. And then when this is ready, you mix it all through. Ah, so it's not like an Indian biryani, where Indian biryani, you cook first, put in half cooked rice, and then you cook it a little bit longer, different, This one you just mix through. So it's a bit like a nasi goreng basically. Now we're going to make a lamb curry, correct?
Yeah.
Lamb curry. Okay, what's next? Bit of oil. Some garlic, Nice hot sizzling pan. The ginger, curry leaves, the lemongrass in here. This is just amazing, and the generosity of how the Sri Lankans allow you to come into their homes and they cook for you, and they're interested in actually, Westerners or foreigners actually knowing more about Sri Lankan cuisine and cooking, because it's been closed for so long that they're just desperate to get out and be open about it. Tomato goes in there, some black roasted curry, and again, the roasted curry has about how many different spices? 20 different spices in it? 20 odd different spices in there. Sri Lankan cooking is not just ABC, it's complex. You pop that in there, right, a little bit of water in there as well, and then we let that simmer. Do you put coconut milk in the end, or this is no coconut milk, just water only? When they put coconut, is from where? Central, Kandy? Kandy, they put coconut. So the last dish we're going to do is basically a pork curry here. It's a little bit similar to the lamb, but slightly different. So in here you've got tomato, you've got garlic, you've got ginger, you've also got clove, cinnamon in there, you've also got tamarind in there as well. So got cardamom in there, white pepper, and also 4 kinds of pepper of the special pepper mix from, of course, from who? The Spice King. Exactly. Never forget that. So this dish can also be done with lamb or beef as well. Now, I've got a little bit confused, but it's actually, this one is beef, but as I said, it can be done with lamb exactly the same. And oh my God, that is so good. The fragrant, the beef in there, the tomato, fantastic cook. So we've just finished the meal, and what hospitality we've had. They've been super generous. We've got some beef curry, we've got chicken curry, we've also got another style of chicken curry there, we've got an eggplant curry, and of course the biryani as well. Kids, is it good? You like it?
Yeah, very good.
Thumbs up, everyone's enjoyed it. Spicy. The hospitality here is insane, and I love the Sri Lankans, and Mr. Shanti has given us an amazing opportunity here. So if you're in Sri Lanka, please go and see his spice shop right next to the market.